Me, my language, and my course. My name is Chaskine. The date today is the 7th of January of 2019. I'm learning French. I'm learning this language because my dad served in his mission in France and I really like the French language. Intro assignments and notebook. Really simple assignments and quizzes. Redo until 100%. Intro module needs to be done ASAP. Understand the course, can access Rosetta Stone account, access the rest of the course. Image of notes labeled from first unit, second unit, third unit, and fourth unit. It's worth 5% of final grade. On the course homepage, steps, getting started doc, 20-minute orientation recording, Canvas course helps, example of notebook checks. Anytime you have questions, check for answers on the homepage in Canvas. Newsflash, do not abuse the resubmission policy. It can be revoked. Do the right units. Submit core lessons, submit milestones, don't submit the rest. May redo and submit until 100% or 75% final grade. Rosetta Stone helps. On the course homepage, report and screenshot helps, shows requirements and examples, audio companion files, lets you practice / hear the phrases offline, phrase lists for each unit, gives you the text for the phrases, audio / speech settings and help, shows what to do with skipped sections, Rosetta Stone support portal, Rosetta Stone phone number, Rosetta Stone login link. Newsflash, if you've not done the assignment yet, do not pretend you did and submit a fake image. Student presentations. Keep them level appropriate. Don't plagiarize. Don't just Google Translate your paragraph or sentences. Give them sharing / permission as needed to your mentor. Check grading rubric for requirements. Cite sources properly, MLA style. Can go the extra mile for extra credit. For example, can do all requirements written and then do an audio presentation of it. Worth 10% of final grade. Student presentation helps. On the course homepage, Student Hall of Fame examples helps for citing sources, translating grammar helps. Remember, introductions and conclusions are about the presentation and not where you send messages to the mentor. Phrases like these do not count as an intro or conclusion. Hope you like the presentation. Bye, enjoy, thanks for watching. Remember, anytime you have questions, check for the answer to the homepage. Newsflash, Google search is not a source. Do not list it as one. Live classes, monthly, required attendance. Attend and participate and submit assignment for 100%. Late, if you miss more than 10 minutes late, you need to watch recording for what you missed. Excused absence. Comment on the assignment with a valid excuse before class starts. Can still get 100% for watching the recording and submitting the assignment. Unexcused absence. No prior comment with a valid excuse on the assignment before class starts. Can only get up to 75% for watching the recording and submitting the assignment. Makeup assignments. If you only missed a class with an unexcused absence and get a 75%, and want to make up 25%, worth 10% of final grade. Live class helps. On the course homepage, dates, times, and groups for each live class. Login class links, links to recordings, mentor and email, and office links. Remember, anytime you have questions, check for the answers on the homepage in Canvas. Newsflash, you need to participate in the live classes or you may be asked for proof that you were there. Conclusion. Anything else? Questions? All questions. Check the course homepage. Live class or student presentation questions. Contact your language mentor. French, Mrs. Portwood. German, Miss Clara Dainsey. Spanish, Miss Christina Reed. Other languages, Miss Cara Dainsey. All other questions, contact the language program leader. Program leader, Cara Dainsey. Have fun learning.